Going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here. And you may have heard recently that people are getting hacked on their Kaspa wallets as well as Alephium wallets. What the heck is going on? Let's try to find out. So a couple days ago, Red Panda Mining did sound the alarm as he was getting reports of people losing their Kaspa. And then 6 hours ago, at the time of recording, he had an update here regarding Alephium as well. So it says, get your Kaspa and Alephium out of the web wallets for anyone using web wallets. This is one of the addresses that took over 10,000 Alephium. And we'll click at that in a second here. Get your SH word off any wallets or exchanges onto core cold storage. So remove everything from your web wallets. Let's take a look at this stuff. So coming into the Alephium Explorer, we can see that wallet address was getting in a whole bunch of different transfers here, then obviously sending them off to an exchange or something. We have sending 1,300 here, sending 10,600 here, taking off 754 and then another 800. Currently, there's 0 Alephium sitting in this wallet. Now, another thing that was brought up is that why we're seeing the reduction of so many wallets dropping to previous categories. Here's the Kaspa wallet categories. We got crab, octopus, fish, dolphin, shark, whale, humpback, and Aquaman. This is all determined on the amount of coins in a certain wallet. And we're seeing all the way from, the sharks, whale, and humpbacks, they're all dropping quite a bit of fish and dolphin ones as well in the past 24 hours alone. Now, this could be result in a bunch of different reasons. One, maybe people are consolidating between different wallets. Maybe they're all getting hacked and getting sold out. Maybe that's why we're seeing some dips here happen on Kaspa and stuff, because someone hacked into those and they're pulling out all the funds and dumping them. These are all variable reasons here. Myself, I don't hold all my Kaspa in one individual wallet. I got to spread out between multiple wallets. And I saw all this stuff going on and I was like, oh man, what is happening? Is all my Kaspa gone? I went into my wallet and it does look a-okay. So it seems like it is fine. This is just one of many Kaspa wallets I do use when I'm tracking miners and things like that. So this is just kind of a side wallet I have hanging out here, but it does seem to be fine. Now, when it comes to Kaspa and stuff, obviously the best and most secure way to hold your crypto coins is in a cold storage wallet. Tangem is one of the most popular when it comes to Kaspa. There's also ledgers and one keys and all sorts of stuff. I will have links down in the description to crypto wallets if you are looking for one, as well as going to be a special Rabid edition Tangem wallet coming very soon. We went through 3 different type of ordealios on what it's going to look like and stuff so far, but so far I never liked them. So it is coming soon, and we kind of finalized the theme here and it should be released. So stay tuned for that if you're up in the air on getting yourself a Tangem wallet. So I went out there and I asked the question over on the Twitter/X there, is your web wallets getting hacked on Kaspa or Alephium? Let me know. And we got some, great feedback, and it's starting to look like the majority of this is happening due to, let me know in the comments section, what do you guys think is the issue? That is right. 100% of the time, this is mostly user error. I'm sorry if you lost $200,000 or something, but it's user error. You stop clicking on stupid links. So let's scroll down here and kind of looking on things. And right here, we can see from TXR, just some people who clicked on the wrong link and got drained. Wallets are safe. So let's open this up and see what happened here. So on the official Kaspa Telegram here, it says, great, those minus 116 dolphins these past 24 hours. So I guess that's what they're kind of talking about. When I looked at, the size of people's Kaspa wallets there, it tells you in categories where they are and how many. So this guy here says, all wallets are safe as much as you keep them safe. If you connect to shady websites, input your seed, pass over the cold wallet to anyone with their PIN, etc., nothing is foolproof. I had someone DMing me saying he lost 100,000 Kaspa coins. He swore that he only used web wallet and nothing else. Then I asked him to share his browsing history, and guess what? He accessed a phishing website that was missing a letter, and he added his seed there. To date, web wallet, Caspium, etc. are all 100% safe in terms of technology. What a user is doing and how he has protected his wallets, that's a different story. And this reverts back to even Ledger. People are downloading fake ledgers. They're doing all sorts of things, coming down to user error, just clicking on links and not not really looking at them. So let's start with step number 1. The dedicated website for Kaspa is Kaspa.org. Click on that to get any type of information. Coming into here, you can simply scroll on down and you can see the official links to any of their wallets, the web wallet, the desktop wallet, the command line, ledger, anything. So if we click on the web wallet, for an example, now we can see our address, wallet.kaspanet.io. Eventually, there might be something that might look like, this right here. Let's just change that A. You wouldn't really notice that right there, wallet.kaspa. You're like, okay, that looks pretty much exactly the same. You hit enter and it's something in Google or something, you're going to a fake wallet address. Then all of a sudden you're importing your seed. You shouldn't have to import your seed. If you already have this set up, unless you re-downloaded Windows and installed it from fresh again, then you're going to have to import your wallet with a new wallet. But if you're just coming into here and you already know you have it set up, it should be here and you only need your password. It should never ask for a seed phrase. Same thing with Ledger Live and stuff. You should never have to enter your seed phrase, freshly download it, unless you're trying to restore stuff, and you make sure it's always the dedicated website. So always use official links. Another easy way to find these official links is going into something like mining pool stats and then typing in, we'll just go to Kaspa right here, and you can see official links to a majority of the coins here. They have to have this to even be listed. Right here we can see Kaspa.org. So click on there, and again, you're on the official website, not some hibojibo Kaspa.com or Kaspa.ru or any type of other Kaspa. The official is Kaspa.org, and then you're on the official website, and all the links here will be official. Now the same thing applies to Alephium. Make sure you go to the dedicated Alephium site. Now here you can see essentials, go to wallets, and here you can see desktop wallet, extension wallet. So that is your browser based one. Alephium doesn't have a web-based wallet, but this is kind of like a web wallet. It's like the MetaMask where it's a browser extension. Personally, I don't like any of those, but I do have them because I am going to be tracking some miners that are releasing here soon. As you know, Ice River is dropping the AL0s. Then we also got mobile wallets, but these are all the official links, and you're 100% safe by using them. Never plump into something and just start throwing in your seed phrase. That is just the wrong thing to do with crypto. And end of the day, always try to use hardware wallets as much as you possibly can. All right, guys, so that pretty much does wrap up this video. What this whole thing is boiling down to is user error, just like it usually is 100% of the time. You're not getting hacked. You're clicking on false links. You're clicking on dumb email links, anything. Always do your due diligence. Make sure you know exactly what you're clicking on, exactly where whatever you're clicking on is pointing you, and make sure you always use official addresses. If you come into Google, for an example, let's just jump something into Google right here and just type in Kaspa, for an example, it's going to come up to the official one like I have here. But a lot of times too, there will be fake scammers trying to sponsor stuff, which will show up above the legit sites. And you're going to think, oh, it's on top there, it must be the real one, it's being used, whatever. But they're actually sponsored. So never click on a sponsored link. Even if it's a legit sponsored link, never click on it. Always scroll down till you get to the next one down. There's no sponsored one here, so this is a legit one. And I know this is Kaspa.org, but just be very mindful of all these little tricks so you don't click on anything stupid. So anyway, guys, hope this video helps you out. Always run dedicated websites, use cold wallets when you can, and if you're looking for some, links in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.